Hello and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table. And today we've got the Galaxy Watch 4. Well, we already did an unboxing of that, so the watch is right here. We're going to put this Spigen or Spigen, however you pronounce it, liquid air protector. It's this little nice protector which is made of rubber. I expected it to be something that's like liquid air, meaning very cushiony, but let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to pull it open. Let's unbox it. So if you look at the MRP, it says it's around 1,599, but I got it for 999 on Amazon with a 30 rupees discount. And it's for the Galaxy Watch 5 or the 4, the 44mm version. I'm going to show you what's in the box. So here you go. No frills, it's just got an instruction set on how to put this. So it tells you about how you can remove. So to do this, you have to actually go ahead and remove the straps, and then you have to put this in from one side, so both the buttons sit in like it's shown here, and then you can press the other side and it goes in well. So to remove the strap, all you need to do is use a little credit card and kind of push this little metallic lever downwards so you can remove the strap out. So we've done one. I'm going to demonstrate how you can do it on this as well, and we'll see how this is done. Not sure if the credit card will work, but then no harm trying. So press the rubber in a little bit because it's rubber, and you should be able to bring this guy out. Yes, there you go. It's popped out. So we've got this guy out. So we're going to use this cloth to clean up that sensor a little bit. I just applied the screen guard now. So that's important that you apply a screen guard or your tempered glass just before you install this, because it's not easy to do it once you install this. So as per the instructions, so it shows you which is the front, which is the back. Coming to application, I think you need to hold the watch face up and then put the button side in and then push the other side in too by pulling it a little bit. So let's go ahead and do it. So we've held it exactly the way they've asked us to. So just as I stated, hold the face of the watch upwards with the buttons on the right, and then all that you will do is, and then you actually put this put the strap holders into this first, like this, and then you kind of place the buttons so they fall into their groove, and only pull this upper thing onto this side so it covers it. So half the job's done, and you just need to adjust it so it fits in place. So once you've had it sit in place, you slowly pull this up and across this leg of the strap holder and kind of push it in place. Just make sure you don't get your tempered glass pulled out while you're pulling this up. So just make sure you have your hand on it. So this basically goes over this and it's in place. That looks pretty cool. We managed to do it without any issues. So now it's the next step, which is putting these things back. So you put this side in first, and then you have this guy go in. So you make sure that it sits in that groove. Push it in. And now for the click sound, I'm guessing it should be somewhere here. And this needs to sit in this groove. So I think why you would consider this Spigen or Spigen protector would be because of the fit, because I found a lot of other ones available for much cheaper. I still considered this, so maybe it's the fit that is better, but I won't be able to comment until I actually lay my hands on a cheaper one. Thank you guys, and I hope you liked the video. Please go ahead and click on subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to see more product unboxing videos of this kind. Thanks guys, and see you soon.